In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade your Tradovate Futures account through TradingView. Let's get started, shall we? The first thing you're going to need to do is open up your TradingView platform. If you haven't already done so, make sure you have your chart ready where you'd like to perform trades. Navigating TradingView can be quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. Once your chart is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the trading panel. This is a crucial part of the process as this panel will connect your accounts and allow for seamless trading. If you're unsure where to find it, don't worry. It's usually located at the bottom of your TradingView interface, designed for easy access. Go ahead and click on it. Next up, you're going to look for the search icon, which is your gateway to connecting Tradovate. Click on this icon. It's typically represented by a magnifying glass, signaling that it's ready to help find what you need. With the search icon now in action, you need to type in Tradovate. This will prompt a search within the trading panel for connecting to the Tradovate platform. It's a simple yet pivotal step, as this is where we'll link your accounts together. Once the system has pulled up the details, you'll see Tradovate listed there. Click on Tradovate to begin the connection process. This will set the stage for entering your unique credentials. Speaking of credentials, this step is all about ensuring your security and privacy. Carefully enter your Tradovate login information, ensuring that everything is correctly typed. This is crucial for a successful login and to maintain the security of your trading account. Now, with your credentials entered, you should see an option to connect. Clicking Connect will finalize the linking of your Tradovate account to TradingView, allowing the two platforms to communicate effectively. It's as if you're opening the door to a wide range of trading possibilities right from the comfort of your TradingView chart. With the connection established, you're free to start trading. It's an empowering feeling knowing that you can now handle your trades through one centralized platform. From here, monitor your trades, analyze the market, and make informed decisions, all thanks to the seamless integration between Tradovate and TradingView. Remember, practice and patience are key in trading. Explore the tools and features available, and over time, trading on these platforms will become second nature. So, get ready to dive into your trading journey with newfound confidence. We've walked through how to set everything up, and now it's your turn to let the trading begin. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy trading!